correct answer to the question. Full stop. We have not indicated the number of the question since the number of the questions, since the actual number on different answer booklets, on different OMR sheets, or since the number of the question is likely to vary in view of the procedure which is followed.
Yes.
The number of the question as well as the option is likely to vary in view of the procedure which is followed in the examination to preserve the integrity of the process. The next, during the pendency of the proceedings.
During negative marking, your lordships were considered.
No, we'll just leave it at that. I think we'll not. During the course of the hearing, the court had been apprised of the fact that NTA would be conducting a special test for 1563 students in supersession of the compensatory marks which were awarded. The students were given an option of either appearing for the special test. The 1563 students were given the option of either appearing for the special test or, in the alternative, opting for their original marks without the addition of compensatory marks. NTA is permitted to act accordingly following the test which was held. Next. Since the only question which has been, the principal issue which has been urged before the court relates to the sanctity of the NEET UG 2024 examination, whether the process was required to be scrapped and a fresh test was to be reconvened. Full stop. Having answered the question in the above terms, it needs to be clarified that if any student, including in the present batch, has an individual grievance not bearing on the issues which have been resolved by this judgment, it will be open to them to pursue their rights and remedies in accordance with law. The competent high courts, the jurisdictional high courts under Article 226 of the Constitution. Full stop. If any, however, before moving the High Court for the grant of relief, the petitioners would have to seek the withdrawal of their petitions before this court, if they have been filed. Full stop. Then we'll finally say during the course of the hearing, the court has been apprised of the fact that the Union government has constituted a 7-member expert committee chaired by Dr. K. Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan is a former director of ISRO, former director of former chairman of ISRO. Full stop. The committee will abide by the committee and consisting of the following members will be clear now. Full stop. The committee will abide by such further directions as may be issued by this court in its final judgment and order in regard to the areas which should be divided into by it, so as to ensure that the process of conducting the NEET, UG, and other examinations falling within the remit of the NTA is duly strengthened, so that the instances which came to light during the course of the present year are not repeated in the future.
There were some transfer petitions filed by NTA on this issue itself. They steps were not disposed of.
The transfer petitions raising the issue as regards the validity of the NEET UG 2024 examination shall stand disposed of in terms of the above direction, subject to the clarification that individual grievances, if any that remain, may be addressed before the competent high court, before the jurisdictional high court.
Grateful for the patient hearing.
Thanks.
So grateful.
Sorry?
said I have to withdraw the writ petition. In fact, I have only filed an IA. So I'll withdraw that IA before your lordship because tomorrow counseling will start.
The IAs raising individual grievances are similarly permitted to be withdrawn.
Yes, ma'am.
Liberty
My lord,
reserved in the above.
Yes.
my lord, a small mention, my lord. My lord, a small mention with great respect. My lord, this is regarding item 21.24. I may be allowed to withdraw my petition, my lord, because it has been tagged with Vanshika Yadav, in which the broad arguments have been addressed.
Anybody else who is present here and who wants to withdraw their petitions, just come and tell the courtmaster, apart from 21.24 who's online, he'll just record it and we'll make sure that that is withdrawn so that there's no, you don't have to move another court, another time.
Yes.
Do it right now so you can move that.
Tomorrow counseling will start.
Only
I'm
one,
so much grateful, my lord.
One
point,
please,
please, my lord.
The report may
I'd like to
remain
prefer
for your
withdrawal.
lordship perusal. Otherwise, we can apply for certified copies.
Uh,
Inspection of certified. Your lordship may need it, my lord, for judgment writing.
after the judgment is delivered, then we'll return it back to you.
Yes, yes. In the meanwhile, parties can apply for inspection or certified copy.
Of
Therefore-
the CBI report. So the CBI report will be maintained with.
Yes, yes. That's all I'm requesting.
Because it's an investigation report. Otherwise, the whole investigation may be derailed if we disclose it at this stage.
Can I?
In
Lordship says it's not right time to mention. Item 6 and 9 I'm mentioning.
Yeah.
These are the two matters. 9 is Shiv Sena, 6 is NCP.
Yeah.
The Lordship had intended to have it urgently heard, but NEET overtook us.
NEET
The
very-
Lordship will give us the
3 days.
shortest possible time.
For the respondent.
I'm only at the moment asking, one second, I'm asking for the shortest possible time. Whereas 9th, because otherwise the thing is completely infructuous. One way or the other.